opening the Stitch slime. It looks really cool. It's $4 from Amazon. It's called Stitch Butter Slime. Let's take this slime on out. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, cool. Okay. Really stretchy. Great quality. I'd rate it a 4 out of 5, just because it's kind of sticky, but not even sticky at all, but just a little sticky. Like if you do this, it's hard to but then you can just slide it right out of your hands, but it won't fall. But this will fall, but it'll kind of stick. Woo! Okay. Well, here. I'm gonna go flatten this out. Let me hit it. Funny face. Okay. Spread it out. Okay, guys. I'm gonna just do a little cross right through it. Okay? Comment down below what you think I should name it. Ready? What do you think I should name this slime? Ooh. Okay. Ugh, I feel something in here. Let's take it out. Ooh. Look. It's a cute little Stitch. Aw, look how cute this is. I rate this. I'd recommend this out of all the other slimes on Amazon because this is just really stretchy. Oh, it's gonna fall. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, it fell. Please say it's not dirty. Hey, it ain't dirty. All we got in there was this. Really cool. So cool. Comment down below what you think I should unwrap. Well, what you think I should show you guys what I got. And do a video like this, but with something different and not slime. Well, it could be slime, but not this slime, because we already did this. We got 2 jars. So, that's what it's called. It's called Stitch Butter Slime, by the way. Because if you don't type in Stitch, it won't show any Stitch Butter Slimes. Yeah. Love it. Hasta la vista, baby!